morning. How you doing? Great. You understand the reason why I stopped you this morning, man? Okay. You can't. Excuse me? I'm bored. Can you see? Let me see your driver's license. I pulled you over because you came out of Metro West and you crossed a median when you're not supposed to, and there's a sign there that clearly says "Do not enter." Driver's license.
What says do not enter?
Driver's license.
What says do not enter?
Driver's license.
Tell me what says do not enter.
Call 47 Connecticut. Couple for rights.
Now you're doing too much, and I got somewhere to be.
Driver's license, please.
I don't got it.
You don't have it?
Nope.
All right, shut off the car. Shut off the car.
For what?
If you don't listen to my order, I'm going to detain you in handcuffs. Shut off the car now.
Okay, go ahead. I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant, and I'm pregnant.
Okay,
So you touch
step
me.
out. Step out
Please.
now. Step out.
No.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Okay, stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Leave me alone.
Stop resisting.
I got her.
Y'all better leave me alone.
Get the
Because
seatbelt.
I didn't do
The seatbelt.
nothing.
It's not on. It's not on.
Y'all better leave me alone.
This
Y'all better leave me alone.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Taking me out for what?
Stop resisting.
For what?
Because you're resisting a lot.
Resisting for what? I didn't do
Step out of the car.
nothing.
Step out of the car.
I'm gonna punch y'all in your face because y'all doing too much. Oh, okay, I promise y'all. Look, I just do this now.
Stop.
Oh! Ma'am. No, because I didn't do nothing wrong. I don't
Stop. Stop resisting. Resisting. Stop. Resisting.
You're hurting my arm. You're hurting
Stop
my
resisting.
arm.
Over here.
You're hurting my
Stop
arm.
resisting.
Off me!
Now you get charged with resisting with violence.
I'm pregnant!
Stop. 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 Stop resisting. Stop. Stop. Stop resisting. Stop.
Go.
I will tase your ass. So step the back.
No!
Stop resisting.
There wasn't shit I said on this. Y'all just bored as and I got somewhere to be.
Stop resisting.
You're hurting my arm. Stop it.
Listen.
Stop resisting.
Get in your face.
Do it.
No.
Stop.
Stay back.
No!
I'll tease you too.
Let me down! Let me go!
You guys are gonna get it.
Yep. Stop. Stop resisting. Stop.
Let go of my leg.
Stop.
I can walk. Let go of my leg. I can walk.
Stop resisting. Stop.
Why y'all holding me like
Stop
this?
resisting.
Let go of my leg. I
Stop.
can walk.
Stop.
Stop kicking head.
Let go of my
Stop.
leg. Let go of my leg. I
Stop.
can walk.
Stop.
Hey, you guys are pushing on my
Stop.
stomach. Let go
Stop.
of my leg. I can walk.
Stop.
Let go of my leg.
Stop.
Walk.
Wait.
037, 038, you guys want a 43?
No. We are 10-4. We haven't
Let
checked
go of my arm.
You know these two more.
Let go of my arm.
Stop.
You guys are not
Stop.
listening. If I spit on your
You're not listening. If you spit on us, you'll get charged with battery on law enforcement officer. Stop.
10 Raleigh Street.
Stop. You cause all these problems for no reason. Stop. Stop. You caused all these problems for no reason.
You did. You
Stop.
did, bitch.
No.
Ma'am, calm
You
down.
did.
No.
Don't hurt my stomach. I'm pregnant. Let
Stop.
go of me.
Stop resisting
I
then.
promise y'all I'm
Stop. If you're pregnant, then stop moving around.
You let me fucking
Stop.
go.
Stop spitting my. You're not trying to spit in my
Go.
face.
You let me
Trying to spit in my face.
I
No.
don't give a I'll
Stop.
spit on all of you bitches. Let me go.
Kick.
Traffic stop. You had an attitude. You don't
Cancel
want
the
to comply to the
44.
order.
Just send me another
I
unit.
don't have my license. I just came from home.
Well, you know what? You would have had a simple verbal warning had you not showed your attitude like that. Too bad. You're going to jail now.
I'm not going nowhere.
Yeah, you are.
I'm somewhere to be.
No, you're going to jail.
Damn.
Stop. Go shake.
Let her
I'm
inside.
telling you, go away. You hit my stomach.
Get-
I'm telling you multiple times. Damn.
Unlock it and put her in the car.
Y'all hurting my stomach and y'all not listening. How do you get my You think bro?
Get on the other side, pull her across.
Stop. 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 If you know you're pregnant, then stop.
Okay, what is that? Touch me, stupid bitch.
Back up.
Fuck, let me
Listen.
go. Let me go.
I don't want to spray you.
Let me go.
She belted in?
No.
I'm securing the car.
Might have to probably.
All right.
Give her a minute.
Yeah, you guys will follow when you take her. She's claiming she's pregnant.
Just have to cancel the
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Security, no 44.
Someone has a hop. Please.
Stop kicking the back of my car.
I need to go.
Well, you're going to jail now. Yes, you are. And if you fight in jail, they're going to safe book you. I know you don't.
For any
Hello, right?
one pain.
Simple traffic stop.
That's
24 hours. 45. What's the location?
Angelo.
5810 Broadway Street.
Yep. Oh, simple traffic stop. She got the attitude. She starts fighting.
I don't.
You know, you got to let the bed.
Oh, I seen. I read about those.
They don't work. They're not that effective, in my opinion. Hey, just
Have you ever put this on before?
No, but I've read about them in policy.
So we have to hold her legs, get her legs in a cup so she can't move. We're gonna wrap this around her legs, tighten it, and whip it over to the car.
You do nothing wrong. I crossed the thing and I put my sticker on everything.
There's a sign that says clearly do not pass it. Right there. You can fight it in court.
I don't want it, but I need to go. I don't want to be here.
hold on. That's going around. Just shut the door for now.
Shut the door. She's not taking it. It's fine.
I just don't want her to kick me.
Okay.
If she's not screaming now,
Just go ahead and shut this door.
Okay.
she's going now.
What's your name? What's your name?
Yeah, she's.
Okay, perfect.
I just made a user.
You didn't make a U-turn. You did not make a U-turn, ma'am.
I guess we did develop battery earlier. Show you got a straight.
Yeah, she got me a little bit. I mean, it's fine. Just.
Well, she was actively
She
resisting.
literally. She
That
told
was
me she was gonna beat me, and like she said she was gonna kick him.
yeah. So and right there's your intent. So
I made her left. I got like.
No, you did not. I saw you.
Right there.
I didn't know she was pregnant or not, so I didn't want to like put her face down with
Right.
with the tactic we learned. So
I want her out of here before family starts showing up.
Oh, yeah?
I know I did it.
Yeah, well, you threatened to spit in an officer's face, and you fought resistance.
I'm gonna pull up next to him so people stop driving right here real quick.
Just give him room to get out. Just pull up right about there.
Do you require medical assistance? So I take that as a no.
13P, J1P,
Scene secure.